I'm probably using this a little differently than a lot of other people. I actually really love to use this to clean the like the tub and the shower because it's just so easy to like to get it out like that. So I typically fill it up with some dish soap, and I also will like spray a little bit of bathroom cleaner in there. It comes out really easily when you press the button. It's not full right now, so obviously you would need to make sure it's like down here, but it comes out super easily whenever you press the button, so no issues there. Like I said, it's really good for actually like scraping out, you know, any, you know, like stains or anything. So yeah, like super lightweight. It's not super sturdy in here. Like it's like, it doesn't sit in here super tight, but if you just like don't touch it, then like it doesn't move and it's fine. So yeah, overall, I'm happy with it. And it's nice that it came with an extra head. So once this one gets to a point where it's been worn down, it's nice that they actually gave you a backup. So yeah, I've used it a couple times so far. Like I said, it makes it so much easier to clean the bathtub, and I would recommend it